Okay guys, for those of you that is asking me, Precious, what can I use to make my lightning face cream? What can I use to make a face cream that will have whitening of my face and treat my face? What can I use? Which face cream can I use along with this soap? Which face cream can I use? So I am here to answer all the questions. So guys, I'm here with good news always, right? So I have this soap available, most especially for those of you that don't like using lotion. You just want a soap and oil that will whitening up your skin, very perfect, fast, and glow your skin, give you that yellow tone. I'm here for you always, right? So we have this our new soap. The name is Lady White. Guys, if you don't want whitening up your skin, don't come close. This product is not for you. Hot chocolate skin, caramel skin is not for you, okay? So, and we have it now 5 sizes. The smaller one we have here is our 250 gram. Okay, this is our 250 gram, and following to rate we have our 500 gram, and here we have our 1 kg. Okay, and here we have our 2.5 kg. We have our 2.5 kg, and here we have our 5 kg. Okay, so we have our 5 kg. So, and this is the oil I'm talking about. Look at this oil, guys. It looks so warm. It is so simple, but it's very active. So if you don't want to whiten up your skin, don't even come close to this oil, because even if you are to get this oil to whiten up your skin, you just have to use it only at night. So guys, these two combo, like these two things, just imagine you getting just this alone. Your skin will speak for you. So if you want to glow your skin, you want to whiten up your skin in a healthy way, you can go with this or our full kit. Love you. That's why I always say, guys, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If it's something I can reply you there, fine. If it's not, I'll just make a video. If the question is 2-3 people are asking the same question, then I'll make a video about it, so everybody will listening to it and is more better, right? So on this video, guys, I don't want this video to be too long because I have a lot to do. Okay, so I just want to rush make this video and back to my duty. Okay, and for most of you that see me making here for the first time, yeah, that is just it. One, hair pays me. Two, I used one relaxer back then and it damages my hair, and I decided not to make my hair and treat it. So that is why, and I'm back. So guys, I have this oil with me. This oil is very active. Okay, if you have a base cream, but please guys, I'll advise you, if you want to make your face cream, use a natural base cream. That is base cream that you formulate from scratch, base cream that you made by yourself. This is face, for goodness sake. Okay, so very careful. I don't joke with my face. We look up things, you will see that I don't have even a pimple, anything on my face, because I don't joke with my face. Okay, and I'm using my products, like all my products, I am using them to be sure before giving out to a customer. Okay, so that is just it. And let me remind you, if you're a type of person that is looking for product that will just whiten you in 5 days, please, we are not available. We travel, like the the channel is not existing. Yeah, it's not for you. Okay, we don't do that. We make a product whitening you gradually and give you that glowing, spotless yellow skin. Okay, so, and if today is the first time of stopping by, hi, Precious here, you're welcome back to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified each time we drop a video. And to my returning subscribers, guys, thank you so much for your support. I'm very grateful, guys. It's just remaining little so we can be monetized. Okay, so I can't wait, and you guys know that very day it go out. Last I go do giveaway. Okay, so let's get there. Okay, let's just hit that 4,000 subscribe watch hours so we can be monetized. Okay, so here I have this oil with me, this Egyptian talking oil. Guys, this oil is extremely active, like super active, super active. Yeah, it's Egyptian talking oil, extra whitening, guys, extra strong whitening. Guys, this is very active, most especially when you want to use it to make your face cream. Why? Because your face is very sensitive. So if you don't have a recipe, like you need a face oil or oils you can use to make your face cream, guys, you can make this as your #1 oil. Then you add alpha arbutin serum. Guys, alpha arbutin serum is very perfect for face. It helps a lot to treat dark spots, dark spots. That one I show you, like it's short for me. So alpha arbutin powder, alpha arbutin serum help a lot to whitening and treat the face, okay, and it's mild to the face, it's not harsh, okay. And if you want to use it to make your body lotion, maybe a hot chocolate skin or caramel skin, because it's not gonna lighten, it's not gonna whitening them, it's just gonna, you know, bring out their color and give them that glowing skin, okay. That is to show that it's not a harsh product, okay. So you can add alpha arbutin serums into your product, into your face cream, your raw organic face cream I'm talking about, right? So you can add that into your face cream. Then you can decide to add tea tree oil. Guys, tea tree oil helps to whiten up the face and treat dark spots. Like that oil is very active. I love using this a lot on my face cream, body lotion, my scrub, my like I use it in virtually everything, like all my product, and it's really working for me. And the next one you can put is your miracle powder, but sometimes some people don't like miracle powder. Yeah, miracle powder is very active, that helps to treat any reaction at all, like dark spot, hyperpigmentation, pimple, redness, green vein, stretch mark. Like it helps a lot. It's a treatment powder, like small but mighty. But yeah, some people don't use it. Why? Because yeah, it changes the color of their product to brown. So, and some people is, you know, they don't like it. But for me, yeah, I put it a lot because I am not selling the color, I am selling the product, the active. Like I want the product to be active and treat the skin as well, okay. So you can add miracle powder. Then if you don't want to add miracle powder, you can add our quick clear. Guys, quick clear face cream helps to, you know, brightening the face, treats pimples, sunburn, redness, hyperpigmentation, acne. Is very active. It's basically for treatment. So you can add quick clear, or you can add apple vet. Apple vet is just for treatment, okay. It treats pimples, acne, hyperpigmentation. Like it treats the face very well. Or you can add clean cap. Guys, clean cap too is very good for treatment, okay. So you that want to make a product, that is why my product, I can tell you, beat my chest, tell you that all my product is just 2-in-1, because I put a lot of anti-reactions and then whitening. So if you're using the product, yeah, it's gonna whiten you and as well treat the face. That is the 2-in-1, right? Okay, not every time, because you want to make half cut lotion, then you're gonna pour everything, whitening serum, whitening oil, whitening blah kilo shele. So you add some whitening, you add some treatment. So while treating the person's skin, is whitening the person's skin, but that is for face and body. That is for face. Then if you want to treat stretch mark, please focus on stretch mark kits, and you know, get to that you want, because stretch mark is so hard to deal with, okay. So you just have to be patient and focus on the treatment until you get what you want before you bounce back to your whitening. Lightening up your stretch mark does not mean that you have treated your stretch mark, okay. That is not a treatment, okay. So that is just it. So this face cream, guys, will help to whitening your face. If you're a sensitive skin, then it will help to lightening or brightening your face if you're a stubborn skin, okay. That is just it. So this recipe, guys, is very perfect. Remember, the only whitening things you're going to add for this is just oil and the concentrate, which is alpha arbutin. And if you can't get alpha arbutin, you can get glutathione serum. That one is very good, but don't get the yellow one, okay. Don't get the yellow one, get the other color, okay. So that one is very good. It's also works like alpha arbutin, okay. It's very okay. So it's not a must you pour. Some people add cleanser into their face cream, like cleanser into their face cream. I don't even know what exactly we are doing, okay. Sometimes I'll be like, maybe this person has forgotten that this is somebody's skin, not animal skin, right? So if you're making your face cream, please be conscious of what you're adding into it, because one, the face is very sensitive, and once you damage somebody's skin, the person might forgive you and continue treating the skin, which is not easy. But once you damage somebody face, guys, it's very hard, because the more you are treating it, you are if you are treating redness, sunburn is coming. If you are treating sunburn, black spot is coming. If you are treating black spot, pimple is coming. That is just how, you know, terrible it is to treat your face, okay. So please be careful. Even if you are not careful on your body lotion soaps, be careful on face, because people like me now, I can't damage my face and go scot-free, because you know, I love my face so much, okay. I put a lot of effort, time, and every other thing. So that is just it, okay. You can go ahead and try this. Like I said, the active ingredient you're going to add for this is just your Egyptian talking oil, then you add your glutathione or alpha arbutin serums, then you add your quick clear face serum. Quick clear helps whitening, yeah, helps whitening, brightening, depending on your skin. Okay, it's helps to whiten up the face and treat the face. Then miracle powder is optional, yeah, but it's very important because it helps to treat the face as well. But why is optional? Because some people don't like it because of the color, yeah. Okay, so you can add miracle powder, then you can add your apple vet face cream. Is good for treatment. You can add any other serum that you think that works for you, you're using, and you're good to go with it. Okay, so that is just it. All I keep saying is please be careful on what you use on your face. Is very, very, very important. Your face is so delicate that whatever you use that is harsh must definitely damage the face. And before you repair the face takes a lot of time, because you can cover up your body, like if it's on your leg or your laps, you can wear trousers to cover it up. When you come back, you remove it and apply the treatment. But the face is, you know, 247 exposed to the sun and all that, so it's very, very hard to treat face. So please be careful with your customers face. Every time is not the money, but customer satisfaction matters a lot. Okay, and guys, we deliver worldwide. If you want to buy anything from us, we deliver all over the world. Okay, and we're here for you. We're always open and we train. Okay, so guys, this is the end of the video. Please go ahead and subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification so you'll be the first to be notified each time we drop a video. And let me know down in the comment section the next video you want me to drop for you. You guys know I love you so much. Bye.